Today's consumers expect merchant engagement with daily deals, offers, and digital coupons. Like any small business owner, you need to bring in more customers and give old customers reasons to come back. So how can merchants build a cost-effective mobile marketing system to engage these consumers? Our mobile marketing proximity device will auto-engage your customers with exciting content for you. We utilize a special modified Wi-Fi broadcasting device to push content directly to their mobile phones and tablet devices. We install this proximity Wi-Fi marketing device within your business location that is integrated into your existing internet connection. Consumers receive these pop-ups on their mobile device. They click a button to register to receive your free Wi-Fi, and they're in. It's just that easy, and your contact list with their information grows automatically. This structured process can send hundreds or even thousands of new likes to your business Facebook page. This easy-to-use automated process generates many new Facebook likes, but also captures opted-in consumer data, like mobile telephone numbers and email addresses. This data is instantly transferred into our mobile marketing engine, where SMS digital coupons are sent directly to their mobile phones, and also emails with daily deals and offers. This revolutionary technology allows you to generate consumer lead data automatically without lifting a finger, and also puts customers to work for you by spreading the word about your business. Consumers receive reward points for sharing your deals, coupons, and offers through their social media accounts, and by pushing your content directly to their friends' mobile phones. Now your customers can do your advertising for you. Whether you run a restaurant, salon, hotel, or need your message broadcasted to large-scale outside events, our system can also easily integrate into large-scale operations, like convention centers and outdoor events, anywhere that broadband connections are available. We offer a complete and customized solution for your specific business needs to ensure a successful mobile marketing campaign. Isn't it about time for your business to start using the power of mobile marketing the right way? After all, your competition is not waiting for you to catch up. So take action and get started today. Fill out an inquiry form and we'll show you what custom solution is right for your business.